Hello kids! Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Now let's draw right triangle, circle. Please subscribe to my channel. Hexagon, star, crescent, rectangle, rectangle. Now let's learn some colors. Blue color, green color, olive green color, yellow color. Let's color these shapes. Dark pink color, dark pink color. Orange color, orange color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Olive green color, olive green color. Blue color, dark blue color. Right triangle, circle, hexagon, star, crescent, rectangle. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.